Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to add and customize a menu to your Facebook page. This is really useful if you're running a restaurant or a cafe and you are also doing Facebook marketing, as then people can easily check out your menu without leaving Facebook. And this is awesome, as I'm going to show you in the next couple of minutes. This is just going to be a quick video tutorial, so if you want to get more details about menus and Facebook pages, check out our comprehensive blog post on 𝐅𝐫𝐞𝐞 on this exact topic, where we also show you this process with screenshots and share some related information that we are not going to mention in this video. And you can also find hundreds of tutorials related to social media and Facebook marketing. Links to this blog post and other free resources can be found in the description below. One more thing before the tutorial. If you want to get more Facebook page followers, more organic reach, without running Facebook ads, then check out our Facebook page growth checklist that you can download from our website, 𝐅𝐫𝐞𝐞, since we are giving it away for free. Links to the 50-point checklist in the description below. So the first thing you have to do to add a menu to your Facebook page is that you have to change the template of the Facebook page you have. I have a test Facebook page here, if I go to the templates and tabs option here at the settings, you will see that there isn't the option to enable or to add the menu tab to my Facebook page, and this is because I'm using the standard Facebook page template. If I want to add a menu tab to the Facebook page, I have to change my Facebook page template. Fortunately, it's really easy to do. All you have to do is click on this edit button here and click on restaurants and cafes tab here. And as you can see, when I apply this template to my Facebook page, I will be able to add a get directions button, but also more importantly, I will be able to add a menu to my Facebook page. So click on apply template and we'll check our homepage now. Alright, the template has been updated. If I go back to the home page of the Facebook page now, then you're gonna see that this menu tab has appeared here. So now we're gonna be able to add a menu to the Facebook page. Alright, so as you can see, we can get started here and we'll be able to add an upload or menu to this Facebook page. Just click on get started, and first we can add a photo here. So this is going to be the photo of your menu. You can add multiple photos. If you have a longer menu, don't be afraid, you can add multiple photos. Alright, so I uploaded a menu photo. Click on save, or you can also add something about this photo, like anything else you want. Click on this save, and then as you can see, you have also some options to add to this menu, some additional information. And you can also select the desktop and mobile preview to see how the menu will look like for regular Facebook page visitors. If you have a dining option, also select this one. As you can see, it will appear on your Facebook page as well. If you offer customer pickup, you can select this one. Or delivery, you can also add the delivery area, what is the minimum order value for delivery, and if you are offering free delivery or it's a flat rate or it depends on the distance, you can also add that information as well. Two more important things, you can also add food type, which is really good because then you can ask if you have a pizza place, you can add pizza or any kind of food basically. So there's a lot of options, as you can see, to add any kind of food. It's also good for Facebook search and Google search, as you are more likely to show up for someone searching for pizza in your city. And you can also add payment methods, and once you're done, all you have to do is click on the save button and the menu will be added to your Facebook page. As you can see, Facebook is promoting to start advertising for this menu, but click on not now. And once you have the menu, you can also share the menu here or edit the menu. If you have a new menu, you change prices, you can just delete the current menu and add new photos and change the delivery details if they change. And also one more thing that is very useful, that you can have a QR code for your Facebook menu. And as you can see, you can download this and add this to your physical menus in your place, in your cafe, in your restaurant, and people then check out your Facebook menu from the physical location very easily without memorizing any kind of URL or anything like that. Before we would wrap up, just make sure to check out our free Facebook page growth checklist so you can get the 50 checkpoints we use every time to 10x the number of followers of any Facebook page. We are planning to charge money for this checklist in the future, so get it now for free until you can. You can get the checklist by clicking in the description below or search on Google for roihacks.com and add the query Facebook page growth checklist spreadsheet. Also, if you want to learn more about setting up, managing, growing a Facebook page, make sure to check out our Facebook page tutorial YouTube playlist that you can see on the screen here. See you next time.